Hello guys and welcome to Carlube. I thought I would treat you today with a cold start from my BMW M3. My cat thinks cold start is having to lay a cable on a frosty flower bed, but what does he know? Sorry about that, birdies. So why is my car so loud for the first minute or so after you switch it on? I will tell you. With spark ignition cars like the M3, the greatest amount of pollution comes from cold start, which requires a rich fuel mixture. Until the catalytic converter has reached its optimum operating temperature, large quantities of carbon monoxide and burnt hydrocarbons are produced. So BMW in their wisdom have sought to reduce these harmful pollutants by adding ambient air with a high oxygen content, which is injected into the exhaust manifold directly downstream of the exhaust valves during the cold start phase. This results in a sort of afterburning of the pollutants. The heat generated in this process rapidly heats the catalytic converters and speeds up the onset of the Lambar control action. After this phase is complete, at idle the car goes almost completely silent. So Paul, what have we got in the garage over here?
This is another one of our customers' cars. It's a Porsche Cayenne Turbo. It's a 2007 vehicle.
Okay.
It's fitted when it was new with the Roof body kit, company in Germany.
Roof, they're like a tuners, aren't they?
They're a tuners, not actually affiliated with Porsche. So you can't ring up Porsche and get anything from them. You've got to ring Roof direct. They do have UK branches.
Are they German company?
German company. Yeah, they have a UK branch.